I am going to tell you a very easy basic remedy for cough and cold. So, in this rainy season, it's very common to have this flu kind of symptoms. So, instead of going for cough syrup immediately, you can try this. Just boil turmeric in water and use that water to treatment. So, you have to boil the water, and that water, turmeric water, should be mixed with pure honey. Don't add honey while the water is boiling. That will make the honey's medicinal properties of no use. So you have to mix the honey later to this turmeric water, and one dosage is this ugguginne, what we call, which we use for infants. It will be approximately 5 ml or less than 5 ml only. You can use drops also if it is months baby. It's absolutely not harmful. All you are using is turmeric and honey only.